Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add stroke to pen tool in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, select the pen tool, right click on your mouse, click pen tool, use shape. First of all, use fill color and stroke color black line. Press enter. Then click hold Alt OK. And another way to without fill, create a new layer, click the pen tool, do not use fill. Okay, then hold Alt or remove this, increase the size stroke, increase the size. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.